Well, I messed up, but I'm gonna fix it. Hey everybody, welcome back to Our Gold Road. This is just gonna be a real quick video. We just wanted to show y'all how to change the gaskets on our Avion roof vents. Let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is take apart the fan cover to get access to the roof vent. It's a pretty simple process. You're just going to take all the screws out of these little handles all around the screen, and then there's a little plastic piece that surrounds the fan inside. Once you get all the cover off, you're going to take off the 4 screws that hold the vent hood in place, that raise and lower the vent hood when you're twisting the handles. After you get those screws out, let's go outside and get that cover off. Alright, now that we got that off, we can see that the only thing left is the adhesive from the old gasket. So now we're just going to take Goo Gone, squirt it all around the edges, and use a metal scraper to scrape everything off. At first I was trying to use a plastic scraper because I didn't want to damage anything, but it turned out that you really need a metal scraper to get it off. You're not going to damage any of the plastic material, just be careful as you do it. That metal scraper works.
The metal scraper did?
Did you come to join the party?
Yeah, I did. Supervise. Came to supervise the party. You know what you need me for? No, that's definitely not what you need me for. You know what you need me for?
Yeah, what?
The information.
Oh yeah.
Didn't, right?
Yeah, you're the one that said try it. I didn't want to damage it, so that's why I was using.
This is not going so well for me. I think you're the. I think I'm better at ideas.
These things.
I know, but I just got a shot. Ow, that was in my left arm actually.
Sadie had peanut butter.
You gave her peanut butter?
Dad did.
Oh, but this is not going so well. Maybe I should try this side. Hold on, let's try it. You know, maybe I need to be closer.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
That's it. We finally got all the stuff off. Took a little elbow grease. But what ended up working was putting Goo Gone on it and then using a metal scraper. I tried to use a plastic scraper at first so I wouldn't damage it, but the metal scraper seemed to be the trick to get all the rest of the stuff off. Now it's time to put the new gasket on. Alright, so we got the new gasket. We got the 1-inch wide by 1/2 inch thick foam gaskets. I'll leave a link in the description to show you exactly what we got. Let's go ahead and get this on. Now let's get this stuck to our roof vent. Maybe? Quite sure how to get this backing off this tape, but we'll figure it out here in a second. We got some tweezers in the bathroom. Let's see if this helps a little bit. There we go. So I messed up and melted this vent hood when we were scraping the stuff off the roof of the Avion.
Yeah,
so
did.
we're going to attempt to melt it back into place. This is our little jerry rig of C-clamps and wood, and we're going to try to melt gently inside here and see if we can't mold it somewhat back into place, because right now it doesn't close properly, so we need to fix that.
All right,
Okay.
Don't melt the C-clamps, right?
Don't melt the C-clamps. Looks like it seals all the way around. Looks like it does a good job. That's it. Everything's back together. Looks like everything's working properly. Fan's working. We're all good to go. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We have more videos of our renovating our Avion and our Airstream and even a view into our U-Haul CT13. If you have any questions about this project, leave a comment below. Let us know how we can help you. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Just try it like that. We have to let it sit and cool.
I know, so I'm trying to cool with it bent outwards.
Oh, okay, so you're gonna push it out?